Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the process of replacing the trigger assembly on your Dyson V11 vacuum, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T10 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, turn off your vacuum cleaner and disconnect it from the charger to ensure safety during the repair. Next, remove the dustbin. To do this, press the release button on the top of the dustbin and pull it away from the main body of the vacuum. This will expose the internal components and make it easier to access the trigger assembly. Now, locate the screws that hold the body of the vacuum together. Using your T10 Torx screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws located near the trigger mechanism. There are typically 3 screws you need to remove, one on the top, one on the side, and one underneath the trigger. Make sure you keep these screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry apart the body of the vacuum using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to use excessive force, as this can damage the plastic casing. As you separate the body, take a moment to check for any dust buildup inside. If you notice any, use the soft cloth to clean the internal components thoroughly. With the body separated, you can now see the trigger assembly. Carefully disconnect the wires connected to the trigger by gently pulling them out. Next, remove the trigger assembly from its housing by pulling it straight out. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any hidden screws that might still be attached. When you have successfully removed the old trigger assembly, it's time to install the new one. Align the new trigger assembly into the housing and press it firmly until it clicks into place. Next, reconnect the wires ensuring they are secure and correctly positioned. Now, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Align the 2 halves of the body and gently press them together until you hear a click. Replace the screws you previously removed, tightening them securely. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws or damage the casing. Before testing your vacuum, take a moment to ensure everything is properly assembled and there are no leftover screws or parts. If you find yourself uncertain at any step, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This service can help identify any further issues that might not be visible during your DIY repair. Finally, reattach the dustbin to the vacuum and plug it in to charge. Once the vacuum is charged, test the new trigger assembly to ensure it functions correctly. If there are any further issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our services include pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't need to make any calls or travel. You can also receive a quote before any repair work is done, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. With the trigger assembly replaced, your Dyson V11 should now be back to peak performance, ready to tackle any cleaning task with ease. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.